internet friends, how are you? I hope you're well. Today in our exploring escapades, we went to Panda Mart. As you can see, Lizzie and I went to check out Panda Mart. It's similar to China Square, so they have a lot of gifts, a lot of nice stuff. So we've been hearing there's one at Galleria which is nearby, so we decided to go there with Lizzie and we'll show you what we got. Actually, if you've been to China Square, I want you to tell us if it's the same or the prices are similar. So let's show you what we got.
So first we have this Papa Damour.
Papa, we have these caps.
Yeah,
we
so
bought
this is the first one.
We got 4 of them. They're really cute.
And the last one.
Yeah.
And
no, the ceramic cups were going for 340 shillings per cup, but they are really cute. Then we got a lot of other stuff.
Second one is toilet paper holder, because like we really struggle. Yeah.
And it is nice. I hope it will not follow.
Now next,
it's a beauty tool. It has something for the eyes,
the face.
brows.
Yeah, so it's basically for the face.
No, even the nails.
Oh, but Mama feel this lip oil. It's so good, like so good.
So Lizzie got herself a notebook. Can you show us? The notebook is cute and it's an A5 going for how much? 290.
Yeah, so it's so cute.
Okay.
And vintage.
Vintage.
Yeah.
Wait. Then we bought a makeup rack. That is something to store our makeup. This. Yeah, so we'll be storing our makeup. Funny enough, we've been using should we tell where we store our makeup? These boxes that we reuse after buying phones. Now we have upgraded, right, Lizzie?
Yeah.
Now show us the small stuff as you put them here that we bought.
Oh, yeah. So
start
first,
with the lippy.
I start with that one.
Yeah.
Okay. So first, we bought this cute Iman of Noble. Like it's this lip oil.
It's going for 8 shillings actually.
Yeah. So we actually bought
several. One is she's a good sister. She remembered her sister, so when she closes school, she'll get a gift.
Yeah.
That one is color changing. It was going for 60 bob.
Look, when you apply it,
it gives you some nice color.
Wait, you'll just need to wait for it to color change.
Yeah, so when you apply the lipstick,
so
changes.
here it is.
It's cute.
Yeah.
Next, you bought something that's shimmering. What was that? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so
it's a highlight powder.
Like it's a highlighter.
Yeah.
So
though some of it has poured, sadly. It makes you glow.
Yeah.
It was going for 220 Kenya shillings. Next, Tukona Classic. This gloss is called what? The gloss.
You have the Camex.
Yeah, and it was, imagine Camex, it was going for 95 shillings at Panda Mart. That was surprising because in most places it's very
I think I'll just open it so that like you can put the container.
Yeah, but just leave it for now. We finish the video.
Okay.
We'll unseal later. Just put it inside this, okay? Alafu tukanunua nini ingine? The eyeshadow.
Yeah. This is so cute. Like it has the vintage color.
Tell me you're mama girls without telling me you're mama girls.
Yeah, so here
that one, it's going for 170 shillings, and you see it has several colors, so that's really cute. Yeah. Then we have the makeup brushes. You see there are several. How many are they, ma'am?
The 1, 2, 5.
Ziko tano, na imagine it was only going for let me check the receipt. 210 shillings. Yeah, 210 shillings. Then she got some nail art and glue. Yes. So the nail art, show them the nail art. So she's going for a trip and she wants to look nice. So there are these glueless nail art that we found there. They are going for 100 and what is that? Absolutely, 110 shillings.
And they're also this one.
Yeah, these ones are cheaper. These ones are 90 shillings.
Yeah. So guys, you'll help me to do which ones, like to choose which ones I'm going to do. And then I have some nail glue. Yeah.
But she's not supposed to apply it directly on her lips.
Yeah, I'm putting it on this sticker. Guys, you see this sticker? Yeah.
Okay. That's cute.
Yeah.
Then, what else do you have? We still have some more stuff. We have some sunglasses. It's okay, just put them. It's all right. We first clear this. So the sunglasses.
Yeah.
So Lizzie is going for a trip, and she decided to treat herself.
Yes. So these I like them actually because like they actually look good on me. Yeah.
And besides, she has this hairband. You can see it. Yeah, that's cute. So we took it for 130 Kenya shillings. And we got something else, Crocs. So Lizzie shopping day, she also got Crocs. Wow, my pocket is damaged.
Yeah, look, it's happy.
Says happy. They are very cute and they are soft.
Yeah, and they're healed.
They're what?
Healed.
Oh, healed.
Yeah, you see like the layer.
Yani unasema ni no? Yeah, so that's what we got also. So next, she got some nice mirror. Can you open this? Nice. It's very nice. Flip it now, we see. It's two-sided. Yeah, that's really cute.
Our modern
maiden. It's written a modern maiden. Then we got some nice perfume here. This for Lizzie. It's a splash and it smells. I like the smell. It's so mild. It's not strong. It was going for 420 shillings.
Yeah, so it's called Midnight Bloom.
Okay. It's appropriate for a preteen because it's not so strong. It smells so good. Then we got a mousse for 440 shillings.
Yeah.
So this one is up for show us on your hand. You use it when you have braids. It really helps. Yeah, it helps with your hair. So it just puts it down. That's enough.
Yeah.
Where will you take it?
On my hair.
Yeah, like that. That's Lizzie. And her hair band. Her sister a gift. Her sister has not yet closed school. She's coming this week, so she got her a gift. She loves golden stuff, so
yeah, she's a gold girl.
Gold girl. Claw clamp for 150 shillings.
Yes.
Oh, these prices are really good by the way. Although some of the things I noticed in China squares were going for lesser. So I think but some of them, they are almost more or less the same prices. You can tell us if you've been to China Square, like what do you think? We also got some, this is just some Q-Tex. It's going for 60. Yeah, nail polish. It's our nail polish. Going for 60 bob. 60 shillings only, imagine. And in the supermarket, you don't put that on your hand, Mama, you put on the nail. Oh, you don't put it in because of school tomorrow. I get it. Guys, we almost forgot to show you. We got a shoe rack. I hope it will last. Anyway, we'll find out. By this a 24 pair shoe rack, and it was going for 1,490. I get it. Okay. Then, what do you have? Oh, we have socks, ankle socks. The Crocs. She also got some nice ankle socks. They were going for how much each pair? And the beauty with these socks, what I loved about them is that they show you the sizes. You know, unlike there you buy socks blindly. So this one shows you it fits size what? Size 38-41. They were going for 80 shillings. Then we got her some very nice cotton pants. By the way, if you have girls and they are teens, preteens, it's appropriate that they wear cotton pants because it helps them. It is very nice and even healthy. This one we got them for 110 shillings. In the supermarket, by the way, you always get them for, or other shops for almost 200 bob because they are pure cotton pants. I love them.
Yeah. So,
we got this one.
Is eyebrow, like it's for your pencil. Yeah, eye pencil. And then I got myself some lip
liner.
Yeah, some lip liner because like why not? Yeah. And then
eyeliner. It's an eyeliner.
No, it's an eyebrow pencil again.
Oh, it is
for your mom. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, that's what we got. And funny enough, there's a fan we had bought kitambo from another shop in West. I've forgotten the name. Can you imagine this fan? I can't remember. No, this one was just China Square. So this thing, we bought it at 930 shillings. Can you imagine at China Square? No, sorry, Panda Mart. It's going for only 340 bob. My goodness, I saw it and I was like, oh no. Basically, that is what we got from Panda Mart, and some nice packaging over here. So Lizzie, what do you think?
Guys, wait first. Guess what this thing does? It makes stars on this side.
It's now when you do on your...
Yeah, okay. And then this side is...
Yeah, you can use it now at the tips of your, at the edges of your eyes. Yeah. Just to like a nice liner. So that was it. We want to show you our haul and tell us what you think. Have you been to Panda Mart? Now there are two stores in Nairobi. There's one in, I think, Garden City Mall, and then for us now the one in Galleria was very close, and that's why we went to check it out. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching.
And guys, please tell me which nails to put on.
Yeah, Lizzie's asking.
So these ones,
you help her to choose.
Yeah, so I'm asking these ones or these ones. Yeah, so
but choose. For me, I prefer this one because she's still a baby.
Yeah, so guys, help me.
That's it. So bye bye. Lizzie, say bye.
Bye.
And tell them to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe.
Yes, thank you. God bless.